RowZero is a next-gen spreadsheet built for big data. In this video, I'll show you how to write a custom spreadsheet function in a few seconds using RowZero's native Python window and ChatGPT. In my spreadsheet, I've connected to Snowflake and pulled in a sample data set. RowZero lets you connect directly to your data source and can handle massive data sets. This is a connected table of 7.2 million US flights. And I want to look at the average flight delay. I've already calculated a few ways of looking at this. So the average delay across all flights is 10 minutes. However, the average can be misleading. So I took a look at the median flight delay, and that was -2, which tells me that the typical flight is actually on time. If I want to look at the average if a flight is delayed, I use the average if function to tell me that the average flight delay is 38 minutes when the flight is delayed. But I want to look at the median when a flight is delayed. So I want a median if function. Now spreadsheets don't have a median if function, so let's go build one. RowZero has a native Python window up here in the corner. If I don't know Python or I just don't feel like writing code, I can go to ChatGPT or your favorite AI chatbot, and I've already done that here, and write something like, can you write a median ifs function using Python in RowZero's built-in Python code window? And ChatGPT will give me the code. It also walks me through how it works and gives an example. So I can just copy this code, come back to RowZero, paste it in, hit run, and I now have a median ifs function that I can use. Now it didn't autocomplete, but it definitely works. So I need to pull in my conditions here. So I look at delay, and I need to look where the average delay time is greater than 0 because I only want to look for flights that were delayed. And I see that the median flight delay is 16 minutes when a flight is delayed. As you can see, RowZero makes it very easy to create custom spreadsheet functions using Python in your spreadsheet. And if you don't know Python, you can just ask your favorite AI chatbot for the code. Now, if I got an error when I ran my code, I could go back to ChatGPT, tell it the error, and it would help me troubleshoot. So you don't actually need to know Python to write custom spreadsheet functions in RowZero. You can try RowZero for free at rowzero.io and see why RowZero is the best spreadsheet for big data.